So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and then type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to turn off Net Framework 4.8. Make sure that it's turned off and then click on OK. It's going to take some time, but just make sure that you turn it off. Now once you've done that, you want to click on close. Then you want to head over to search again and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Run New Task. And then you want to tick Create this task with administrative privileges and then click on Browse. Now we're going to click on this PC. Then we're going to click on our C drive. We're going to scroll down, click on Windows, scroll down again, click on System 32. Now you want to look for CMD. So we're going to scroll down until we find CMD. Here it is. You want to double click on CMD. Make sure that this has been ticked. Now you want to put a space and then type in --update and then click on OK. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in gp update space /force and then click on enter. Now you want to head over to the link which I'll leave down below in the description to download Microsoft Net Framework 3.5. You want to select your language and click on download. Now we're going to install it. Click on yes. And then click on download and install this feature. Now once this has been fully installed, you want to head over to search and then type in turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to select Net Framework 3.5 and then click on OK. And now you want to wait for this to load up, and once it's been done, you want to restore your computer, and then that's how you do it.